Okay, so let's do a quick video about finding slope from two different points. Well, to find the slope from two different points, what you need is the formula to find slope. And that's pretty straightforward. The formula that everyone should be familiar with is slope equals rise over run, which is a great formula, but it's not particularly the one that we want for this instance. So if we want to find slope from 2 points, the formula we need to use is slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, the biggest question is, what does this formula mean? Well, let's review. When you have 2 points that you're using to find your slope, you have a point 1 and you have a point 2. Now, it shouldn't surprise anyone that point 1 is going to have x1 and y1, and point 2 is going to have x2 and y2. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, if we begin to color code the formula, you can see where your y2, your y1, your x2, and your x1 come from. Yeah? Now let's go ahead and let's do an example. What is the slope of a line with these points? Well, our first step is color coding. 2, 4 is going to be point 1, and 5, 7 is going to be point 2. Now, if I take my formula for finding out the slope, and if I start replacing, well, my y2 is going to be 7, my y1 is going to be 4, my x2 is going to be 5, and my x1 is going to be 2. Now I've plugged everything in I need to the formula. So now I know that 7 minus 4 is 3, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Well, that's straightforward, and now 3 divided by 3 is 1, which means my slope is 1. That's how easy it is. Let's go ahead and let's do another example. For this example, what is the slope of a line with these points? So 11, negative 4, and negative 3, 2. Okay, point 1 is going to be 11, negative 4, and point 2 is negative 3, 2. Great. Let's go ahead and let's move this up a bit for more space, and now let's start plugging things in. So my y2 is going to be 2, my y1 is going to be negative 4, my x2 is going to be negative 3, and my x1 is going to be 11. Great. Now I have those 2 negatives on the top of my fraction. Well, they're touching, so they're going to become a positive. So now I can go ahead and solve. 2 plus 4 is 6, and negative 3 minus 11 will be negative 14. Boom. Now I can take this fraction and I can simplify it. 6 and 14 are both divisible by 2. So I can go ahead and simplify this to 3 over negative 7, which means my slope is negative 3 over 7. That's how easy it is.